Hi guys and welcome back. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video, which I barely ever do, but I got a new phone, so I just wanted to do an unboxing for that. First, I'll give a little backstory on this. I currently have the iPhone X, and I love this phone. It's great and it still like works and all, but about 2 months ago, I think, I dropped it, and on the top right corner, it's like green, which is very annoying because it's always green. So like at night or when it's like dark, it's like very bright in your eyes. And also when you open it, I don't know if you can really... yeah, it like flashes when you like open it, which is also really annoying. The screen's also full of scratches, and like I was like fine with it, like I was like surviving, but right now I am in quarantine. I do not have the coronavirus. I did get tested, but it was negative. But I went to Spain last week, and when I was there, Spain got added to our quarantine list, so now I have to quarantine for 10 days, which means I'm on my phone a lot. And I just got so freaking annoyed by this that I was just like, I just need to get a new phone. And my brother also got a new phone, so I got jealous, so here we are. Should have gotten like scissors. Okay, so this is the one that I got. It's the iPhone 11. Sorry for the lighting change, but this is like very bright, so the lighting focuses on this. But it's the white iPhone 11, and I got the white one because I love white, so yeah. Honestly, I'm so excited because I usually buy my phones like refurbished, I think is what it's called, or like second-handed, but this one's like completely new and I barely ever do that, so I don't know, I'm just excited. This looks so pretty. Like the white also just looks so nice. I love white. My brother got this one yesterday in black, and black's also pretty obviously, but white is... I'll just quickly show the difference. This is the one that I have now, also the white iPhone X. The iPhone 11 is like a little bit bigger, not that much bigger, but like a little bit. This one's like really dirty and scratched and like, yeah, I'm honestly just scared to like pull this off. Should I just turn it on? I'm hoping that I can just automatically like transfer everything from this one to this one, and I think I can, and if not, I have to like make like a backup. But set up new iPhone. Use your Apple ID to set up your new iPhone. Continue. Connecting. In the meanwhile, this is the box. It has a charger with a charging cable, which is actually really useful because my charger is like barely working anymore. So that's that. And then we have these headphones. I actually can't find my other headphones anymore, so this is actually also really useful because I got AirPods for my birthday a couple of months ago, so I basically always use those. But it's useful to have some headphones just in case. So that's what's in the box. It feels a little bit big though, because it is a little bit bigger, and it feels weird without like a case because it's like really thin. I really like the white. It looks so pretty. Keep this phone near your new iPhone while your information is transferred. It's now preparing. I just wanted to get a new phone that works like properly, so that's what I did, and I'm so happy with it because my screen time is like 12 hours a day now because I'm like quarantined, like I said. I don't want to keep talking about that, but I have like nothing to do now, and you guys could say like, oh, go make videos, and like I want to, but I can only make videos that I can't leave my room for because I'm not really supposed to leave my room that much. So I can only make like talking videos, and I don't want to make like 10,000 talking videos because that's really boring, you know. And I also can't do vlogs right now because I'm not doing anything. Oh, transferring data to iPhone. Anyway, what I was saying, I just don't want to do like so many sit down videos because I feel like that's really boring, and I'm also like kind of like just chilling because just taking a little break, you know, which is also really nice. Like I'm still gonna try and upload a few videos, but honestly, taking a break is also kind of chill, you know. Time remaining, about an hour. Okay, I forgot that I have like 20,000 photos on my phone, so that was gonna take like ages. Time remaining, about an hour, so that's great. Okay, I'm just gonna let this transfer, and I will get back to you guys the minute it is transferred. Okay, it's like 20 minutes later or something, and it says transfer complete. Okay, it still has to do this, so this is gonna take like a bit longer. Also, it's like completely storming outside out of nowhere, so maybe the lighting has changed or something, but raining and everything, so there's one thing. I don't think I know my Snapchat password anymore. Oh, it's turning on. Everything's there, it's just like loading and everything. Put my SIM card in here, and I think there's supposed to be something in here that you can use to do your SIM card. This thing you can use to like get your SIM card. And then you also get these stickers. I've never ever used any of those stickers. I'm always scared to do it wrong with like the SIM card, so I'm just gonna ask my mom to do that. So I am gonna end this video here and take this downstairs and put my SIM card in here, and then I can use it. I really love the fact that you can zoom out in photos. Like, that is insanely cool. I'm really happy with this. So I'm gonna end this video here. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.